Now, the price of Terra Luna Classic has been sitting relatively stagnant over the last, well, 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. I want to say this, guys, it is okay. I'm going to talk about why it's been sitting stagnant and why I honestly think that we might move sideways over the next 2 weeks or so before we get this next catalyst. So I want to talk about the price action on Terra Luna Classic, and I want to talk about the volume on Terra Luna Classic because it's an indicator of interest, it's an indicator of emotion, and it's an indicator of the level of excitement that we've got going on when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, at least at the moment. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting between, I mean, if you're lucky, you're getting 12. If you're not lucky, you're getting 6 free stocks still. And if you guys do a $1 crypto trade, you're going to get at least $5 in free crypto. So make sure to check that out. If you want to buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got a link for KuCoin in the description. The more active you are on there, the more your rewards are going to be. They have like different tasks that you can complete. Depositing, you get some crypto. Making your first trade, you get some crypto. And then trading certain amounts, you get more crypto, and so on. And they do allow you to trade on leverage. So if you want to trade Terra Luna Classic on 5x leverage, check out KuCoin down in the description below. But guys, let's start with volume. We'll lead into, I guess, how it's an indicator of emotion and so on. And then we're going to jump into this price action because that's what everybody cares about, man. We only want to see the price go up. So search volume over the last couple of days, or not search volume, trade volume over the last couple of days has gone from roughly $2 billion to $1.4 billion, to $1.1 billion, and it is currently sitting, this is the 4th day now, currently sitting at about $600 million over the last 24 hours. And although it is steadily declining, here's the good news. There's always a silver lining, right? Here's the good news. If we had days like this, when the 1.2% burn tax was already implemented, we would have burnt close to 500 billion coins. Think about that. Just over the last few days, I believe we would have burnt somewhere around 80 billion, and then 70 billion, and then 60 billion, and it keeps adding up. If you look at the current, the volume there, it's $600 million worth over the last 24 hours. And you implement the 1.2% burn tax, you've got roughly $7.2 million that would have been burnt over the last 24 hours. That is over 28 billion coins, Terra Luna Classic coins, over the last 24 hours. Guys, that is an incredible amount. Even as the search volume is falling, think about that. What Lunatics token is doing right now for the Terra Luna Classic community is incredible. And they've burnt 2 billion tokens in 6 weeks. And this burn tax, it's not to take away from the amount of effort they've been putting in. They have literally in 6 weeks burnt over $500,000 worth of Terra Luna Classic. And this 1.2% burn tax, it is going to be a major mover that a lot of people, I don't know if they grasp it yet, but think about that. I don't expect volume to continue on at these elevated levels indefinitely, but nonetheless, if we do string some excitement together, if we string some days like this together, you are still talking about having a drastic reduction in a very short period of time. So use the volume as not only an indicator of interest, but I guess apply that 1.2% burn tax to it and see just how much we would actually be burning over a very short period of time. Now, talking about it as a level of interest in Terra Luna Classic, let's look at that. Volume was soaring around basically the days leading into staking being re-implemented for Terra Luna Classic, and it's starting to come back down now. That coincides with search volume, actually. If you look at the amount of people that were searching for Terra Luna Classic out on Google, you can see the Google Trend Analytics had it going up. People are wondering why the price is moving up. People are wondering about staking being reenacted on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, and they're going out there and they're looking for it. So it's an indicator of interest as well. Now, with it falling back down right now, I want to talk about the price and why this is okay to watch Terra Luna Classic trade sideways or even consolidate and fall back down a little bit in price. We had a major catalyst. The staking being re-enabled is a major step forward and a major progress point when it comes to rebuilding Terra Luna Classic and everything this blockchain is going to have to offer. Now, we don't have any major catalysts coming up. We will have updates on the staking numbers and the fact that over 7% of the entire circulating supply is being staked right now, and that number is going to continue increasing. But the next major catalyst, we need to see it happen for that excitement to come again. And the next major catalyst should be taking place somewhere around September 12th, and that is the burn tax. So guys, if we sit here for the next 9 days, and have a period of consolidation, have a period where Terra Luna Classic tests its will and tests its strength to see if it can hold up. That's healthy. We need reasons to drive the price higher. And the next major reason we're going to have is this burn tax being implemented on the chain. So I absolutely expect, I don't really expect any major moves higher over the next couple of days, at least until people begin to anticipate the burn tax being implemented. So sometime around September 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, that's when we may see things start to really rocket higher again. And until then, the volume is most likely going to dwindle down a little bit until the people get excited again. The price may remain relatively stagnant and sideways, but there's nothing wrong with being able to maintain levels of support. So often I've said maintaining a level of support is sometimes more important than breaking through a level of resistance. It shows that people are willing to hold. If you have resistance being broken, yes, it shows that new buyers are coming in, people are willing to offer higher prices and so on, but maintaining these levels of support like Terra Luna Classic is doing right now is an excellent indicator that people are willing to hold as opposed to taking profits and selling off. So let's test it over the next couple of days. Let's see how many people are willing to hold. Let's see how the price is willing to hold up and what we've got in store for the next run on Terra Luna Classic. I wonder what you guys think. Down in the comments below, do you think that burn tax is going to be the next major leg up and the next major breakout when it comes to the price action on Terra Luna there? Let us know in the comments, and of course if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You've got KuCoin for Terra Luna Classic down in the description. Free Discord as well. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.